Tired of recreating the same tasks over and over again in Asana? Well, task templates are your secret weapon for project management bliss. Let's dive in. First, open the Asana project where you want to create your template. Click the Add Task button to create a new task just like you normally would. Now, fill out all the details that will be consistent each time you use this task. This includes the task name, assignee, due date, description, any relevant subtasks, and attached files. Be as thorough as possible. Next, click on the three dots menu in the top right corner of the task. Select Save as Template. A window will pop up where you can name your template. Choose a clear and descriptive name so you can easily find it later. You can also choose to save this template to your organization's template library so it is accessible across multiple projects. Click Create Template. To use your new template, click the blue button at the top of your project. Select Use Template. Find the template you just created and select it. You can then adjust the settings such as assignee and due dates. Click Create Task to quickly add the task and watch your productivity soar. And there you have it. With task templates, you will save time, reduce errors, and keep your projects running smoothly.